Hey everyone, what's up? On the channel, click yes. Click OK. Select the language, click OK, click Accept, then click Next, and Install. We won't have to wait long. There we go. Click Yes, and then click Finish. And just like that, you've successfully downloaded and installed DevSuite. Select the language here, then click Next. Here as well, the installation continues accordingly. How's it going? This is the first launch setup, then click OK. The program is launching. Here, click Close, and from here you can create a new project or just a source file and start coding. That's all for now. It's been me, Volodar. Like, subscribe to the channel. See you everyone.